Call the list.
Yes, sir. I am for the print.
My lord,
And
item number 18, Mr. Amul Kumar Singh is appealing for the alleged contender, your lordship.
Item number 17. 18.
Your lordship.
I see.
My lord,
She already had the matter. I have given reply. They filed application for restoration. This is barred by CPC. You will be seen under section 141. And even then, you will ask them to give if any reply you put.
Today is
Today.
the
my lord, he is engaged before court number 35. My lord, I am praying for a short passover, your lordship.
short passover.
Well, may I pray? It will take 5 minutes. What they will say. Tomorrow at 2 p.m. My lord, let them finish. Tomorrow at 2 p.m.
কি আছে tomorrow 2 p.m. কি আছে?
I will not take time, my lord.
কি আছে? Tomorrow I have fixed another matter at 2 p.m. That's why difficulty. তারপরে বৃহস্পতিবার 2 p.m. তো ইয়ে আছে original side.
I am giving you a what? I am not taking time.
No. দেখো বুধবার দেখো বুধবার 3টের সময় কিছু রাখা আছে আচ্ছা Wednesday 3 p.m.
No, man.
Wednesday would be not there.
I'm sorry.
Tuesday? No, Tuesday, no. I have already fixed 3 p.m. matter. Wednesday 2 p.m. কি আছে?
On Wednesday, we already filed it not.
Okay. Group 2 আছে। বৃহস্পতিবার তো 5টায় কি আছে? Group 1 আচ্ছা তাহলে এটা করে দিন বৃহস্পতিবার 12:30 12:30 Thursday.
Yes, madam. At 2 p.m.
Thursday 12:30.
Yes, sir.
12:30.
Yes, sir.
12:30.
Because you already know that already the matter is finished. It will take 5 minutes.
Item number 18.
18.
Let this matter appear in the list. No, on the prayer of the you are the alleged contemner. On the prayer of the alleged contemner, let the matter appear in the list on Thursday, that is 10th, no, 24th at 12:30.
I'm going to do this.
Next.
I am paying 2 weeks time.
You are, who are you? You are for the petitioner.
Advocate is Kostab Cholodas.
You are for the petitioner.
No, I am for on behalf of Kostab Cholodas. I am paying 2 weeks time.
Who is Kostab Chandra Das? I do not know. Petitioner or respondent?
Petitioner. He is leader of the advocate on record. Sheikh Shahjahan Ali is the advocate record.
Yes.
Kostab Cholodas is the leader.
Seventh May. Date din 7th May. Next.
20 malad I am paying for the state malad.
Sonji Banerjee is the petitioner.
But this issue
I
malad.
don't know what you are submitting. It was fixed on 7th of May. Is there any difficulty? Okay, come on 7th May. Next, item number 20.
21.
Item number 20. 20. Sanjeev Bandopadhyay is the advocate on record for the petitioner.
Yes.
What do you want?
1 week time. I am paying 1 week time.
Come on 7th of May. Next.
21.
I am for the petitioner. Filing my supplementary evidence.
I
An
am,
exception also.
I am filing my affidavit. There was a direction to
That's
file
okay.
affidavit. Reply has also been served on me. Supplementary affidavit. Reply ekta baaki. Wait.
So report in the form of
There are two supplementary evidence and one exception.
report in the form of affidavit on exception to the report and supplementary affidavit.
Two supplementary.
Two supplementary affidavits. Let me check when were the dates. Check karo.
Petition.
Bole din, sir.
Two supplementary. Yes, two supplementary.
SP Kole, Kundu. SP Kundu, na? Yes. 21 আমরা আছি।
There are two matters,
One is
21 and
18th
22.
of April.
I'm in 21.
21. That is
This is-
27966.
My lord.
27966.
और एकटा আছে তোমার 17th day of December. Two supplementary affidavits, Your Lordship, one on the 17th and of December 2024 and one on the 1st of April 2025.
Yes.
আছে?
But petitioner before lordship is a partnership firm. Running distributorship business. in The district of Hooghly
28001.
Yes.
and Arabba.
Wait a minute. 27 আমার আছে 28001.
But I actually am appearing. Well, there are two matters. One is SP Kundu, another is Shokti Podo Kundu.
Oh, so they have. Sorry, Your Lordship.
That's why I was also surprised.
প্রথমটা আছে।
আমরা তো শক্তি পদতে না একই।
But
There is this.
No, report in the form of affidavit it is 28001.
Yes.
Yes, I'm fine.
28001. But this is 27966.
After second.
But first matter also there is a report and
Well,
supplementary.
We have filed a report. But my lord, I filed.
Have you filed the report?
Lord, I have filed a report. Just one second. Yes. My lord, I find there is one more supplementary affidavit which has been served upon us on 18th of April, which was affirmed. My lord, I have to seek instruction on that front. 18th of April this month. এটা আমার কাছে we have already filed the report in the form of affidavit.
Yes, report is there.
But my lord, we have been served with another supplementary now of 18th of April, I find.
Exception to the report. Supplemented
Because
there are
previous supplementary, my lord, was affirmed on 17th December 2024, which I am having. But there is one other one which have been recently served on 18th of April 2020. Where this is affirmed on 18th of April, it was served on 19th perhaps. So my lord, I need instructions on that front. My lord, I have already sent it to my officers.
in both the matters identical issues are there. Only whether he has distributed some articles from his ration shop, whether that would be taken or not.
My
that
lord,
is the
whether
issue.
there was any,
Yes, officers are like that.
whether they were authorized to do so, and my lord, the other issue is, my lord, regarding the maintainability, because my lord, there is an appellate provision. So my lord, whether they could
This
go
issue is
there.
Yes. Only this point of law is involved in this matter. Both the matters,
But I'll, my lord,
whether
there are two appeals, first appeal and also a second
supplementary
appeal.
affidavit
is
is
there.
there. Two supplementary affidavits in both the matters.
My lord, the recent supplementary, my lord, I'll take instructions and my lord, liberty may be granted to file a reply if necessary. In the recent supplementary that we have served on 19th. 19th served for it, 18th it was affirmed.
So within a week,
Next week, my lord. My lord, so far as the maintainability, that's one side of the
That
story.
is
But
the
my lord,
issue
whatever
together,
they have
no.
taken,
Have
my
to
lord,
hear all issue all together.
We are taking our stand. Actually, what was the sanction? That also we are taking.
yes.
But since both matters are analogous.
Next week, next week.
Not analogous, but both have to hard argument.
Well, let it appear on the next week. And in the meantime, we'll take instructions. If necessary, we'll file affidavit. If not, then we'll proceed.
Very well.
May not be. I'll be joining. Just
For the second matter is concerned, I'm filing my lord the supplementary evidence.
Okay.
Copy has been served, exception also. Supplementary and exception. So far the second matter is concerned.
Opposition দিয়ে দিয়েছো সাপ্লিমেন্টারি হবে
হ্যাঁ।
আমাকে জানি না কি আছে
Take item number 17. No, item number
20
21.
Alert, my learned senior friends is 22, I am 21.
21 টা লেখো। Exception to the report in the form of affidavit submitted on behalf of the respondent number. No, exception to the report submitted by the petitioner
Exception দিয়েছো
exception filed by the petitioner against the report by the respondent number 1 to 4
আমার এক্সেপশন এর কপিটা
taken on record. Full stop.
এক্সেপশনটা
The petitioner filed a supplementary affidavit, copy of which has already been served upon the learned counsel for the learned counsel appearing on behalf of the state respondent, seeks accommodation to take instruction in respect of supplementary affidavit. Full stop. Let the matter appear in the list in the next week, that is on 29th of April 2024. Under the same heading, the state is at leave to use exception against the supplementary affidavit if necessary.
or reply perhaps
Reply against the supplementary affidavit if necessary
grateful to you.
within the adjourned date.
Very good.
No. Yes. But লেখো item number 22. Report in the form of affidavit filed on behalf of the respondent number 1 and 2 is taken on record. Full stop. Next. Exception by the petitioner against the said report
Entry দুটা হলো exception এটা।
is also taken on record. Full stop. The petitioner files a supplementary affidavit, copy of which has already been served upon the learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. Learned counsel for the respondent authority. Counsel for petitioner বললাম না, ওটা কেটে respondent authority পাবো। Respondent authority seeks accommodation to take instruction in respect of the supplementary affidavit. Let the matter be adjourned to list the matter on 29th of April 2025 under the same heading. Full stop. The state respondent is at leave to file reply, if any, against the supplementary affidavit. State respondent is at leave to file reply against the supplementary affidavit, if any. Not if any. Okay. Both 29.
Yes. I am for the petitioner, madam.
Lordship, here there was a direction to file an opposition. Lordship, if kindly grants me one more week. Lordship. The opposition is ready. She needs to come down. She was supposed to come down, but due to some personal difficulties, she couldn't turn up.
Not
Tomorrow she's
only not this
Interim order is expiring today,
today. Okay.
till the next date. Till the next date.
Mrs. Amrita Paja Maulik, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the state. Sixth, accommodation to file affidavit in opposition. Concerning the submission, the matter be adjourned today. Let the affidavit in opposition be filed within 30th of April 2025. Full stop. Let the matter listed on the day 30th April. Next part, interim order passed by this court on the earlier occasion is further extended till 14th of May 2025 or until further order, whichever is earlier.
Grateful. Mandatory next week, 1 week. 1 week. Mandatory.
The date is 13th, 30th.
Object, Lordship.
I'm happy with the statement. Let by Mr. Singh.
For the petitioner,
But I am a petitioner, my lord.
yes.
Last occasion, my lord, के 21st के January 2025, my lord, के the petitioner, the opposite party filed the APD opposition. I have not.
I am filing.
My lord, के kindly, my lord, no hard copy, sharp, my lord, kindly.
You have a
I am
copy?
certain. Here and now.
My lord, kindly, my lord, give the time, my lord, the extended, my
File
lord,
exception.
exception, my lord,
Exception. Reply, my lord.
reply, my
See
lord,
the opposition, my lord.
opposition, my lord.
Opposition. Okay. Affidavit in opposition file on behalf of the respondent number 5 is taken on record. Copy served. Next paragraph. Petitioner is at leave to file reply, if any, against the opposition within 2 weeks.
Right.
Hence, next paragraph. Let the matter appear in the list 19th of May.
Right.
Under the same heading.
Yes.
Next.
Learned advocate Mr. Ramanand Agarwala, who is appearing in this
Advocate,
matter,
ठीक है,
is out of station. Kindly make it not this way.
We have filed, and Lordship, may I just kindly apprise your Lordship
Which
that
matter?
this is Mamuni Mehti, I believe. This is the third time there was a direction to file affidavit in opposition. We have filed. Reply was supposed to be filed. They are just going on taking time. This is the third time. If they want to argue without a reply, I have no issues.
Mr. Agarwal is not there.
Yes,
Otherwise,
yes, I do not mind. He is a senior.
okay,
friend of-
not this week.
Yes.
Next.
If you appear behalf of the state, for the petitioner, kindly give me some time to file my reply to the exception filed by the state.
You have not placed the reply.
We have filed our report, my lord, but he has to file his
Exception.
exception.
How many times?
3 weeks, subject permission.
2 weeks.
3 weeks,
3 weeks. Mr. Adara, let the matter go out of the list. You file reply then. Okay.
Kindly, liberty to mention.
Yes. Item number 26. Let the matter go out of the list. No. Kato. The petitioner is given liberty to file exception against the report filed by the state authority. Full stop. Mr. Dhada, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of the petitioner, seeks accommodation to file the reply. Concerning the submission, let the matter go out of the list. Parties are at liberty to mention.
Good.
Next. Not this week.
Yes, my case on last occasion also. The silly point involved in the matter that the bank account which has been provided by me, the joint account. And ground for rejection is, my lord, that since it's a joint account and my name is in the second place, I am not entitled. Just before documents I am presenting for lordship, kindly turn to page 18. Vacancy decline notice. Page 18. Station Narinagar district, Murshidabad.
Yes.
Now, next page, kindly come to page 19, Roman 7. Part 2, kindly come to ABC, then Roman 7 from bottom fourth paragraph. Working capital of fund required at the time of application. Applicants for dealership must have a bank balance of rupees 50,000 only in the form of savings account, current account, or fixed term, fixed deposit in a scheduled commercial bank or post office as working capital on the date of application. Then, my lord, kindly come to page 23. The indicative date has been mentioned at page 22. This is the advertisement. The next page, my lord, kindly come to page 23. I have submitted my application on 7th of September 2022, but this date has some relevancy. 7th September at page 23.
Yes.
The next page, your lordship, kindly see, I have annexed the duly filled in application submitted by the petitioner. Kindly come to, my lord, page 24, 25.
Name of the bank.
Yes, my lord. No, name of the applicant. Jannat Biplab Tohra is the petitioner before your lordship.
Yes.
Then, my lord, 17, clause number 17, higher secondary pass. Then page 27. The details of the godown. B, the second heading. Area of the godown 653, requirement is 400. Size of the Shopcom godown, kindly see 244 square feet. Now, page 32 is the deed of gift given by my father in favor of my petitioner. Kindly see the date. This is prior to the submission of application. It will appear from my lord, page 33, 4th September. We have kindly come to all affidavits I have annexed. You will also kindly come to straightway, come to page 50, 5G. The State Bank of India, in the name of Top Ujafia Ibran Yani and Janat Biplab Joda. Well, these are the brothers. My elder brother, along with me, a joint bank account has been opened in the State Bank of India. I have shown to your lordship the last date of application. Kindly turn the page 51. 4th September to 12th September, 3,29,000. Have a look at my lord. Page 50.
Yes.
My date of application is 7th September. From page 23, it will appear, my lord. On 7th September, I have submitted. 4th September, 3,29,000. And 12th September, some money has been withdrawn. It stands 1,69,000. So 4th September to 7th September, there was 3,29,000. Requirement is 50,000. I have made out a case, my lord. Kindly turn to page 52. I have been called for. Inquiry has been conducted. On 20th December. Then kindly turn, my lord. I have made out a case, page 4 of my petition. Third paragraph, page 4, where I read, my lord. The petition states that there are two bank accounts. Another bank account I have also annexed. There was some shortage of money of a petitioner. One is an IDFC Bank and another one is the State Bank of India. It is pertinent to mention here that the SBI savings account of your petitioner is a joint account along with the elder brother of your petitioner, and in terms of the vacancy notification, there is no bar to hold a joint account by an applicant. The further states that although your petitioner maintained the money, then the required money as working capital pursuant to the vacancy notification dated so and so in both the bank accounts. However, due to medical emergency of father of your petitioner compelled to withdraw some amount of money from the one of his bank account just before one day of the submission of the duties. Another account, individual name. prescribed application of transfer party to the joint bank account. Your applicant maintain the money, then the required money as working capital pursuant to the vacancy transfer. Xerox copy of transfer. Then paragraph 7. The officer states that during course of inquiry, the officer submitted all the required documents, including sketch map of shop computer and the bank accounts, details of both the bank accounts. However, after taking note of both the bank accounts, the inquiring person will express their satisfaction. The officer further states that after conducting the inquiring person will directed the officer to put his signature in a blank form, so and so, filing in the so and so. The next page, paragraph 8. The officer states that after conducting such inquiry, the inquiring person will direct the officer to submit both the bank account details before the subdivisional controller prudence supplies don't call. Accordingly, officer time and again visited the office of the subdivisional controller don't call and submitted both the bank account details showing the financial solvency of a petitioner. Paragraph 9. Officer states that when your petitioner was waiting for the personal interview or personal hearing, all on a sudden, with an utter shock and surprise, subdivisional controller don't call verbally intimated the petitioner that the application of your petitioner could not be recommended before the higher authority. Accordingly, your petitioner visited the office of the subdivisional controller and came to learn that the subdivisional controller prudence supplies don't call is going to reject the application of your petitioner since in the joint bank account of the same, your petitioner's name of your petitioner has been reflected as second account holder. Now, my lord, after filing this writ petition from the official website, we got the intimation day before yesterday, rather, my lord, Thursday, that this has been rejected. When I filed the writ petition, my lord, that document is also with me. That is, there was no status pending. Now it has been rejected.
Now it
The
has,
only ground, my name is the second place. There is a direction for filing report. No report has been filed. So kindly see the first order passed January, 27th of January, 2025. Then again extended time and again. Lastly, it has been extended on 24th of March. Today, my lord, since it has been rejected, I am praying for an order of status quo. Otherwise, my lord, if the third party right, it should be. They are not filing affidavit. They are not coming before your lordship, praying for any accommodation. How many times it has been extended? Kindly see. From January, now we are in the April, middle of April.
now whether you have mentioned the bank account in your application?
Everywhere, my lord. There is no permission, my lord. Kindly see. Report file.
Right, I'm appearing on behalf of the state. Mr. Arjun Mukherjee is appearing in this matter, but at present he is engaged in other court. That's why I'm praying for short passover.
Now you have stated that you have handed over both the copy of bank account to the
Yes.
inquiry
Official.
personnel. In your writ petition, you have stated
Aye.
that.
Categorically stated. There is no denial till today.
Yes, what is your submission?
Madam, the report in the form of affidavit already has been prepared, but at this moment, I'm not able to file it.
Report ready?
Report ready, my lord. Report ready, my lord.
Where is the report?
No copy has been served.
I have forgot
You
to
serve a copy, come on tomorrow? Come on tomorrow, I will pass the order.
October. My lord.
Learned counsel appearing on behalf of the state submits that
May I
the report. Yes, report of the state is ready and he will place the same tomorrow. Let the matter appear in the list tomorrow under the same heading. Full stop. Tomorrow for that. Next.
But I am for the appearing for the private respondent.
I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner. I am praying 1 week time, Your Lordship.
I am for the state.
Kindly fix it. the matter on next Monday or Tuesday as your lordship's convenient.
There was a direction to
Yes.
supply the reports
Yes.
from the state, which I have been.
That has
Yes, madam.
received.
From the
Yes,
report,
I
madam.
supplied.
Yes,
That-
my
that-
candidature has been selected as a first candidate, madam.
There is no
Offer has been
Sir,
given to the.
an accommodation is sought for on behalf of the petitioner. Let the matter appear in the list on 28th.
As your lordship.
Make it 29, 19,
28th, Monday at 2 p.m. Monday, not 2 p.m. Under the same heading.
7.
Next,
28.
ठीक है.
Grateful, man.
आगे नाम.
My lord, I'm praying for.
item number 30. Who is for the petitioner?
Madam, I'm for the petitioner, madam. I'm praying for the state respondents. My lord, I'm praying for not today and not tomorrow. Matter may be taken up day after tomorrow. Ma'am.
Where is the report?
The report was to be filed.
State supposed to file a report.
Yes, my lord. The unfortunately the brief is with the junior. We don't have a brief. That's why I'm praying for not today and not tomorrow.
Whether report is ready or not, what is your instruction? Then report is not ready, then why the matter for this week?
My lord, Mr. Nilotpal Chatterjee is appearing in the matter.
I understand. That's why I am asking whether report is ready or not.
Don't have.
Petitioner seeks for an interim order and you said that report is required to file. Prepare the report within 28th.
28th month. Grateful, man.
An accommodation is sought for on behalf of the state respondent to file the report. Let the time, let the accommodation be, let the time for filing report be extended. Let the report be filed on 28th of April 2000, on or before 28th of April 2025. List the matter on 29th under the same heading.
Grateful, man.
One kind indulgence with item number 34, my lord, a similar matter, my lord, if it can be taken up on that date as well.
Let I call the matter.
Matter.
Next.
Item number 31, I am for the respondent number 6. Mr. Learned Advocate Mr. Ramanand Agarwala, who is appearing in this matter, he is out of station. Kindly make it not quick.
Who is for the petitioner in this matter?
No, I am for the state. I am assisting.
Number 6.
Petitioner is not appearing.
Petitioner is Munshi Jahanara Khatun. Not this week. Not this week.
Very well. नामগুলো দিয়ে দাও।
Next.
For the petitioner, my lord. Here is the direction of my lord filing report and copy maybe.
No, down.
You are also directed to serve a copy of the report, man. They have not
Let
served.
me first allow me place the order which was passed by your lordship on the 26th of March.
There was only one
Yes.
query regarding the service area.
और यहाँ पे किस पैराग्राफ में इंस्ट्रक्शन है?
To take a portrait.
स्पेसिफिक नहीं है?
Yes.
Here, this kindly sees lordship's last order, paragraph number 5.
Yes.
Learned advocate appearing on behalf of the state respondent seeks accommodation to take appropriate instructions. The grievance was, the vacancy was with respect to Kazipara, and lordship's specific query was, what is the service area? Lordship, this is what we have received from the department. This is a duly signed. After this, I do not feel that there should be a specific need of filing. The usual vacancy. The area is given below. The service area of Barindranath Mandal is village 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the areas have been indicated.
Yes.
And the second was with respect to D-tagging, which is before the division bench, Your Lordship.
So that is my case, my lord. They have stated in their report that the 5 service areas for the petitioner, my lord. And they have, my lord, published the vacancy notification in respect of Kajipara and Bagha. That is, my lord, my lord, service area of the petitioner, my lord. That is my case.
But what have you wanted ultimately in that?
My lord, they have published the notification violating the government, my lord, guidelines. My lord. This is my case, my lord.
Usual vacancy or vacancy. हम लोग का notification challenge किया.
And this is page 35 is the, my lord, vacancy notification.
No, where is the enclosures of that report?
Enclosures of the report. Ache na?
You read the report. Short
No,
report?
I'm giving answer. Please. This is.
There are
one copy.
two enclosures.
Give one copy.
This is one enclosure. This is the list. This is what we received.
No, there should be two. Only one page is there, no?
One page.
Only one page I have
Yes,
received.
yes.
Ah. Really?
Seven 589 is the,
Yes.
and if Kajipada is there, that is 1756. It used to be less than 5,000.
They have, but can you see page 35? They have published the notification stating service area for Kajipara and Bagha.
7,589.
2 my lord service area they are cutting by my lord publishing this notification.
No, one.
7,589.
Appears
Grand
from the
total is
report that my lord,
7,589.
both Kajipara and Bagha is my lord within the my lord petitioner's my lord area.
Okay.
1309 and 415 over here. Total count.
And total is
7454.
Total is 745. Notice application only for Kajipara.
My lord, kindly see the guidelines, my lord. What the guideline says, my lord. When my lord the vacancy notification they will publish. Page 42, my lord.
Issue of detagging with the honorable division bench.
Yes.
Okay, please take down. In pursuance to the direction of this court dated 26th of March 2025, comma, Ms. Sonal Sinha, learned counsel, learned additional government pleader, submits a report of subdivisional controller, submits a short report of subdivisional controller, submits a short report of subdivisional controller, food and supply, Bolpur, Birbhum. It appears from the report that the present petitioner, that the service area of the present petitioner are the villages of one Bagha, two Bhagavanpur,
Bhagavan.
3 Bhatra, 4 Kajipada, 5 Mongolhata.
Nangolhata.
Nangolhata.
Yes.
Nangolhata. देखने बेटा report.
Beneficiary of 7,000.
If Lordship wants to record that how many number of beneficiaries are there, that also Lordship can record. It is the grand total, which is appearing 7,454. No? 7,454.
No, that is categorized when the matter was initiated. Now That is the report first page. First report. Now present category wise cards he is holding is 7589.
On at the top.
758.
Ha,
At the
total
top.
is 75 and into this.
Yes. Okay. Roll number. The subdivisional controller has also annexed the present category wise card count
अंधे भी तो
in FPS of the petitioner as follows. এবার দেখো এটা লিখবে 1 বাঘা এটা 2 এটা 3 এটা পুরোটা দেবে না এটা টোটাল কাউন্ট ঠিক আছে না এই নামটা দেবে শুধু এই 5-6টা দেবে 1 2 3 4 5টা এটা 5 নম্বরটা 6 করেছে এটা 5 হবে 1 2 5 এই নাম দেবে এটা দেবে হ্যাঁ so it appears from the report that the present categorized card count of the petitioner is 7589 full stop. Amongst them the total card count of Bagha village is 1380 and total card count of Kaji Pada is 1756 full stop. The petitioner approached this court with the apprehension that by way of present vacancy notification, if the cards of village Bagha and Kajipada were detagged, then the business of the petitioner would be economically viable. Full stop. Considering the submission of the petitioner also on perusing the report, it appears that there are substances in the applications, there are substances in the prayer of the petitioner. There are reasonable apprehension that if new vacancy be filled up by pursuance of the present notification dated 25th of April 2024, the present petitioners shall suffer irreparable loss. Considering the situation, I think it justified to give the appropriate opportunity to the petition to the respondent authority to file a affidavit in opposition in respect of their affidavit in opposition against the writ petition within 3 weeks. Reply, if any, by the petitioner within 2 weeks thereafter. However, considering the facts and circumstances of this case, in the meantime, considering the facts and circumstances of this case, the state authority shall proceed with the selection process, but so far as the issuance of license is concerned in favor of any person, the same shall not be issued without the leave of this court. Full stop. Karo. Let the matter go out of the list. Parties are at liberty to mention.
अब तो आएगा नहीं ना आउट ऑफ लिस्ट होने
Next. Hmm? কি? 30 তারিখ রাখা হয়ে গেছে না এখন থেকে সোম মঙ্গল বুধ আপনি গ্রুপ 8 রাখবেন বুধ বৃহস্পতি শুক্র 5টা শুধু গ্রুপ 1 কিছু নেই বরাবর
But 33, I beg to appear on behalf of the state.
Which for the petition? Devdeep Mondol.
My lord, in this petition, he is under the impression that he is become the successful candidate. Thereby, the allotment is to be given to him. That is his case. On the other hand, my lord, the report says he is the unsuccessful candidate. His candidature was rejected because of the technicalities and which has been laid down in the advertisement. That is mismatch. That is why his candidature has been rejected. That is the matter in nutshell.
What is the prayer in the writ petition?
Prayer, kindly have a look. This prayer. Yes.
Representation of the
respondent to consider the representation of petitioner dated regarding non-issuance of the ration dealer license. And he further added that as he has fulfilled all the eligible criteria as specified in the notice for vacancies such and such, which I have just pointed out. He is under the impression that he is the successful bidder, thereby he has the right to enjoy the dealership license.
Whether his candidature was rejected?
Yes, yes. Because of the reason, Lordship knows.
No, whether portal is there, rejection portal.
Rejection portal is there. Lordship, kindly have a look into my two things. I would like to point it out. 8 and 12. 8 and 12. Eight and 12.
Okay.
So we are covered by the judgment of Ramanna Dayaram Sethi. Whatever the advertisement, we are bound by that.
300 square feet is the
Yes,
requirement. He has 259.
Correct, my lord.
Okay.
Nothing remains in the petition, my lord. I do not think he is also have an interest to pursue this in this petition anymore.
Very well. Please take down. None appears on behalf of the petitioner. Mr. Suman Sengupta, learned additional government pleader, appears on behalf of the state respondent, submits that the present petitioner is not an eligible candidate to have the license. The eligibility criteria as disclosed in the vacancy notification was not properly fulfilled by the petitioner. Full stop. His petitioner's proposed outcome go down. Is not sufficient to provide him a license. Reasons thereof, his candidature was cancelled. Mr. Sengupta submits that he has a report, he has a written instruction from the authority. However, none appears on behalf of the petitioner. Concerning the situation, the matter be adjourned today, list the matter tomorrow under the same heading. If the petitioner doesn't appear, the matter doesn't appear, the appropriate order would be passed.
Lordship has kept it on the.
Tomorrow.
Very well.
For the petitioner, your lordship, this matter is similar as item number 39, matter on 29 with item number 30.
I don't know, item 30 is, I am for the state in this matter.
Item number
30, similar.
30.
30.
When it was fixed?
29.
29.
I don't know, my lord. I'm not in 30. I am in 34.
34. Okay. Both the matters appears on the other day. You are there. They sought accommodation on that date, and today also they are seeking accommodations.
I prayed for accommodation.
No, not you. They prayed for accommodation. I can understand both the issues are similar in this matter.
That I don't know what your lordship is
Yes,
doing.
I can remember. So item number 30 and 34. Come on, 29.
That's right.
30, 28, I should have 29, no, 28.
28. Okay, 28. 28 4. Next.
Lordship, in item number 35, Your Lordship, I appear for the petitioner, Your Lordship. I'm being led by Mr. Huda. Lordship could recall Mr. Huda is not present in court. Lordship is out of station. Lordship, I'm praying for a week accommodation.
Not this week. Next. দুটো 29 করবে তাহলে।
I approve.
Nine. A. 9. Column number 5, serial.
Take mic, otherwise I cannot hear you. Take the mic.
19A typed copy.
19A typed copy.
Typed copy. Egra subdivision. My lord, the memo has been issued. And in terms of the same.
Where is the vacancy notification?
Vacancy notification, my lord. That will appear the page 19.
No, that is the only.
The copy was not distinct, so that I have, my lord, supplied the typed copy.
Now, whether I only asked a question whether it was passed in pursuance to the control order 2013
under
or 24.
2013. So far, I have got
No,
the
you
instruction
take
from
the notification first. This is 2025 notification. It must be 2024.
Then, my lord, I have to take my lord
Yes,
time so that
I instructed you to take
specific-
instruction.
My lord, your lordship.
On the earlier occasion, I have said this. Show me the notification, I will pass the order.
Then, my lord, your lordship, some time is required to be placed, my lord.
Next week?
Next
week sufficient or 2 weeks?
My lord, I can.
Next week? Not this week.
And my lord, in respect of my lord, 25 vacancy notification, my lord, under 25, my lord,
24.
2024. My lord, your lordship has been pleased to my lord grant stay of the appointment in respect of granting appointment to some dealers.
No,
WPS
2013 notification, 2013 notification,
your
2013
lordship,
control order is in respect of division bench.
Your
That's why I am passing the
Your
regular
lordship,
order.
so that the honorable division
Yes,
bench.
that's why I am asking whether under 13 control order or 24 control order.
2013. In terms of the same,
Okay, you provide me a copy of
other
the
orders have been passed in the identical cases.
You show me the.
I have to.
Next.
Lordship, item number 37 and 38, Your Lordship. I pray for a week accommodation, Your Lordship.
Okay, 37, 38, not this week.
না না not this week 38 37 দুটাই আমরা ছিলাম 39 ও আছি না তাও একটু
7 বলছে আমি আছি না
না, না, দেখুন 848
39?
39
I appear on behalf of the petitioner, my lord.
Yes.
Now, my lord, there is, my lord, I would have, my lord, placed this matter before your lordship, but your lordship will kindly consider these are vacancy notifications from 2024 control order. Now, my lord, in a recent judgment passed by, my lord, recent order passed by your lordship, my lord, the constitutional validity was under challenge so far as, my lord, the vacancy, whether, my lord, the 45 age people can apply or not. Now, my lord, those are the applications filed in person. My lord, that is the fact. But the fact remains is I have challenged in some different ground. But if your lordship kindly, my lord, accommodates and takes it up on Wednesday, because I have challenged on a different ground. It is altogether right. But the fact remains is since your lordship has already, my lord, passed an direction that the state will proceed with the vacancy notification, but the final, my lord, the result will not be declared without granting leave of this honorable court.
That is
Yes,
13 control
that's
order,
what
not 24.
not 24
13 control order.
No, my lord, that is in 2024 control order.
let him bring the judgment
That
let
is
him-
separate issue altogether.
Yeah,
Maybe
this is
economical
Yes,
viable.
yes, that is a separate issue. So, my lord, may I come back? Yes. 2013 control order is different. There is one matter in 2000 control order that is in division
and the
bench. my lord.
division bench yes
Yes, yes. That matter we are also, my lord, assisting, my lord. I am led by Mr. Sahara in that matter. So that is altogether different. So, my lord, kindly keeps it on Wednesday. Let me come back. Your lordship considers. My issue is that whenever an order has been passed pursuant to a control order,
Day after tomorrow.
Wednesday, my lord.
Next.
no formal order is being passed
No, day after tomorrow. Next.
My lord, similar prayer, my lord.
In item 40, my lord, Mr. Shishana Bandyopadhyay is engaged on behalf of state, my lord. My lord, in this matter, 2024 control orders the vacancy was passed under 2024 control order. My lord, your lordship will kindly remember, your lordship initially granted stay on certain provisions of 2024 control order, the punishment portion. My lord, it was held that that stay cannot be, that stay order was vacated, my lord, by division bench. So, my lord, the submissions which has been advanced by my lord senior that similar order has been passed by your lordship, my lord.
No.
My lord, we have not seen that order, my lord. So, subject to correction, my lord, we are opposing the pray for stay in this matter.
No, no, my lord, I am not praying today. My lord, I will be coming back on Wednesday. These are all similar
Very
matters. I will place my case.
Very well, day after tomorrow.
And what my learned friend suggesting, that is the punishment part. That is altogether different. Mine is whether the state has the right to declare a vacancy. That is altogether different.
Very well.
As long as, my lord, our control order is valid, we have a right.
Yes,
Day
my
after
lord. That your
tomorrow.
lordship
Day
will have
after
to
tomorrow.
be grateful, my lord.
Next.
Similar prayer, my lord.
41. Also similar prayer. Day
Yes.
after tomorrow.
Yes. After tomorrow.
41.
42.
41, I am appearing for the state led by Mr.
Day after tomorrow, Wednesday.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Next. 42. Not today. Not today. Item number?
43, not
I have not called yet.
and for the
43, who is for the petitioner?
Yeah.
No one is there for the petitioners? Okay, not this week, next Monday. Not this week.
What if next matter is similar matter like 40, 44, Wednesday?
Take the order, take the order.
43.
You are appearing in.
For state.
For the private.
You are for the private resident. None appears on behalf of the petitioner. Full stop. Mrs. Amrita Paja Maulik appears on behalf of the state respondent. Private respondent is also represented by learned counsel. Your name? Your name, please? Yeah. Okay. Considering the situation, as the petitioner doesn't turn up, let the matter be adjourned today. List the matter next week on 28th of April 2025 under the same heading. If petitioner doesn't appear, the matter will be disposed of on that date.
Grateful.
Item number 56, can you make it not this one? 56.
It is not.
My lord, 44 also, my lord.
56, not this week.
44, my lord, is pleasure to fix it on Wednesday like the other matters, my lord.
Very well. 44, day
Yes.
after tomorrow.
Grateful, my lord.
Chalo. Call the list.
Permit to mention about that. Sure, item number 3, today's date, in this matter, I am for the petitioner, Advocate Mr. Ramanand Agarwala, is appeared in this matter, same way, not this way.
For the petitioner,
For the petitioner.
which for the state? Okay, very well. Item number 6, not this week. Call the matters.
Seven, seven.
13773.
Pursuant to the my lord direction, Lord, so we reaffirm this affidavit, my lord. And we already served Oh.
আমি দিয়ে দিয়েছি 2004.
Item number 1, petitioner is Vishwanath Mukherjee. Acha. And item number 2, Buddhadev Mukherjee.
My learned
Somebody
brother
else.
is appearing.
Yes. Both the matter identical issues are there. What is the matter?
Compassionate appointment.
With regard to compassionate.
No, no.
I have heard this matter, I think.
From my side. For
Buddhadev Mukherjee is concerned.
in as much as my lord,
There are two petitioners, Vishwanath Mukherjee and Buddhadev Mukherjee. Both are the sons of Gosto Bihar Mukherjee.
I am the grandson of ex-license.
You are
I am the son.
You are the
He
son.
says that he is a grandson. No, he says. I am not disputing.
Vishwanath Mukherjee, Vishwanath Mukherjee is son of Gosto Bihar Mukherjee.
Lordship.
Gosto Bihar Mukherjee was the erstwhile license holder.
Original license. His wife. Yes.
His wife.
My mother, my lord, happened to be the ex-licensee. Now, my lord, my claim is on, my lord, that so far as I would get, my lord, that same license, my lord, on both petitions stands on the footing of a compassionate appointment. His petition, my lord, has filed first. So, your lordship may hear me, hear my learned brother first. And so far as the earlier occasion, in as much as I may recall, my lord, subject to my lord's corrections, that your lordship has heard partly, my lord, the petitioners for
Yes.
in the earlier writ petition, and the state, my lord, possibly, my lord, was supposed to give a, my lord, a re-verified affidavit.
Yes, they
that
filed
they
that.
have filed.
They filed. Reaffirm that.
My lord,
Reaffirm the affidavit.
we would be, my lord, seeking a copy of that re-verifications. Okay, very well. We
Copy is
have,
there. They will missed it. That's why they have reaffirmed.
well, I understand, but so far as a re-verification is concerned, your lordship knows.
Let me
Very
what is the issue?
Very.
Issue is the Gauri Rani Mukherjee was the license holder. After her death in the year 2004, 2006. Yes. Yes.
Page 29 is the license. After a time, page 29 is the copy of the license. First, January 2007.
Yes.
That year, he died.
Yes.
He died on 28th December
2006.
Page 30 is the death certificate.
Yes.
Date of death 20th December 2006. Immediately thereafter, daughter-in-law and two grandsons jointly made an application for grant of compensation. It is Rekha Mukherjee and two other. grandson of Lieutenant.
Yes.
That prayer was rejected. Page 32. Lending said, I finally page 33.
Yes.
But there is the order. Page 33.
Page 35, last portion.
Starts from page 33.
35 is the order.
So page 34, you are in this case.
Yes, in this case.
Page 34. Start from in this case, a daughter-in-law and grandsons do not come within the list of relations specified in said circular, and their claim has rightly rejected. I do not find any flaw in the said order of rejection concerning the function of the 2003 contract and the above referred circular. But I am also of the view that the concerning fact that the vacancy arose in the year 2006 and the son and of the petitioner sought to relinquish their right to accommodate the grandson or the daughter-in-law of the deceased for the purpose of obtaining the license of dealership. Another chance may be given to the specified legal heirs of the deceased dealer for being appointed as a dealer for the subject vacancy or compensation. Their decision not to stake their claim for being appointed as a dealer was on the understanding that the daughter-in-law or the grandson of the dealer would be eligible for appointment. Latter category of persons are incapable of being appointed as dealer. In my opinion, the person who otherwise would have been eligible for being appointed as dealer should be given another chance to stake their claim. For this purpose, an applicant shall be made afresh by any of the sons or others and such applications shall be considered in relation with the earlier application made in this region. Such applications shall be made in a period of subject to the applicant shall be considered and decided within upon the period of lifting of the date of filing thereof by the concerned authority. That applicant will have to file the application with consent of other legal heirs and shall be applicable opportunity of hearing. Pursuant to that matter, my father submitted an application. Page 36. My father since this. In terms of the portion number, page 36, application, and the page 37 is prescribed form A.
Subhas.
Subhas Mukherjee. Page 37 is the independent prescribed application.
Subhas is son.
Subhas is the son of Boriani Mukherjee.
Yes.
Along with prescribed application fees, page 38. No objection, you also can come page 39. No objection from the Bishop Mukherjee, he is one of the petitioners. This is the Bishop Mukherjee, no objection has been given by him and other except one son. One son has not given the NOC in favor of the deceased father of the petitioner. Now let us come to page 43. Prayer of was rejected on 1st April 2006. July 2013 contract.
Yes.
Engagement of amateur professional in place of Red Boriani Mukherjee addressed to Subhas Mukherjee by deceased father. And another one is Ravindranath Mukherjee, one of the sons. He has not given the NOC in favor of the Subhas Mukherjee. In pursuant to the order of the Honorable High Court, Kolkata dated 32 collection WPA number 7, directed to submit an application from the sons and others which were relative of the of the Golden but two legal heirs of the deceased then namely Subhas Mukherjee and Ravindranath Mukherjee completed their application for obtaining the cable license of their deceased brother and Golden Mukherjee on compensation. Both of you were asked partial hearing on such and such, respectively considering your application. You admit that your mother let Bhutan University and three one married daughter, legal heirs, namely Rabindranath Mukherjee, eldest son, Subhash Mukherjee, second son, Vishwanath Mukherjee, youngest son, and Shobhita Banerjee, very married daughter. It's a matter of fact that none of you submit from all the legal heirs except Malad. I have submitted my application by submitting from all other legal heirs except Rabindranath Mukherjee, who has not given me it. But provisional letter paragraph 20 subclause 3 of previous 2019 mandatory submitting from all legal heirs of the titular. Accordingly, prayer has been rejected. Challenging the same manner, my deceased father also filed another witness. Page 48 is the order passed by Lordship of Justice Shubhakanta as Lordship then was. The order was set aside and directed to consider under the 2003 court. That's how object matter of the dispute relating to filing of the package of fair price of dealership on account of date of control license. One Bhutan purchase by orders by solemn order dated December 2000 WP number and an honorable signature was pleased to direct for filing the of the package of in question. The responsibility ought to be guided by legal existing order which were not by the first party control. Mr. Sarat takes out this code to the page 40 of the restriction being ordered issued